sorry for the first quality of this video, but I'm just gonna show you a quick solution that I actually found an hour ago. It's nothing too hard, but it's something that I will keep in mind next time I replace screens. So this is the laptop I've been doing. I already found the solution, but I'm just gonna walk you through real quick what I did. And so I power it on after the install. Okay, it looks good. The backlight's lit. Everything seems to be working fine. It's still going. Okay, I can see the mouse. I can move the mouse. Okay, now this is where the problem is. There's supposed to be a picture here. Okay, there we go. This is what I saw right here. And I can kind of see, this tripod sucks, but you can, this is Windows 10, you can kind of see the way it looks. And so I click enter, it's the login screen. So I'm like, okay, I need to figure out if this is a driver issue. So I go ahead and click on the power button right here. I can barely see it. And then you hold shift and click restart. This in Windows 10, let me try again, I didn't do it. You hold shift, click restart. In Windows 10, this restarts it into a mode where you can select to go to safety mode. See, the screen is still pretty messed up. It's like having all this weird stuff. Some of you probably already recognize this, but I never came across this before, and so this was a first. So you click troubleshoot, advanced options, just follow startup settings, and then you have to click restart, and it will open up this menu where you can select safe mode. It's kind of dumb how they changed it. It used to be easy, just click F8 safe mode, but they changed it in Windows 10. So it's going here, see, and everything seems back to normal, like it's not fuzzy anymore. So safe mode is number 4, click number 4. Everything looks fine, so it can't be the screen. I actually, the first time it happened, I had to check the connections again, and everything was fine, so I was really confused. This is not the kid that owns the laptop, this is his dad owns the laptop. So he actually gave me the password, and see how the login screen now actually looks normal, which is interesting because this shows me that it's the driver, because the safe mode, it disables the drivers, and it runs on stock drivers. So this already shows me it's a driver issue. So something to do with the driver that runs this screen. Alright, so I'm able to log in, and I can actually see everything. I can see everything fine. Everything looks fine. So this shows me it's a driver issue. So to cut it short, pretty much you have to go onto, well, that's what I went. You guys don't have to do it, but I went to device management. It opens up the device manager. You go to display adapters, Intel HD graphics, and I just disabled it. Now you disable it, and so if this was right, then when I restart my computer, go into normal mode, it should be able to work fine, just like it did in safe mode. Okay, that just showed that it is something wrong with the driver, and it didn't work. So I go ahead and log in to the computer. I go back here, device management again. I go back to Intel graphics, and it's disabled. You can see by the you can see by the disabled side. So I just right click just to see if it's gonna happen again. Right click, enable, And the cool thing about disabling enabling, you don't have to uninstall, but you see what would happen if you uninstall. So as I thought, the screen goes back to crazy and it just doesn't do anything. So at this point I'm like, what if there's something to do with the settings, refresh rate, whatever. So you right click on a desktop and you can kind of work. It's better to do this while disabled, but let's go ahead. Graphics properties. But this refresh rate was something I was thinking about, especially with the flickering. The flickering refresh rate, you know, it's really fast flickering, we can't see. And just seeing flickering, I was thinking, what if it is something to do with that? So I'll click advanced mode because I assumed that basic mode wouldn't have that option. So advanced mode, okay. And it's kind of hard to see here, but there's an option for refresh rate right here. And I noticed that it says 40 hertz, and that's where I'm pretty much found out that this is NPAD. This is the issue. So I drop down menu, find 60, I click 60, I go ahead and click apply, and what do you know, the moment I click apply, screen goes blank and everything works normally.